Hello, everybody. This is Keroy, author of Divine Soul Whispers. Today we are reading from page 57. Actually, if you want me to read your poem from any page, just let me know. For those of you who know my poems, let me know. I'll make a special video just for you. Or if you want me to dedicate a poem to someone, uh, you know, in this book, there were so many love poems because I think love is one of the drivers of inspiration. I know it works for me. When in love, you build kingdoms, you know? Yeah, so this one was inspired by love. Um, we work together in parallel universes. We walk together side by side, sharing healing strength between one another, lifting each other up to the greatest calling of our soul, whispering back and forth, keep walking. I'm here with you. Keep the faith. The promise will soon be revealed. Keep joy and laughter by your side, for a cheerful heart makes life sweeter. Keep your heart open, for it is the lighthouse that beams rays of hope to heal us and the world at large. Keep the hope alive. Lifetimes we have journeyed, just a few thousand miles to go. In para universes we walk, apart yet together, in soul and in spirit. As always, this is Keroy, author of Divine Soul Whispers. Talk to you soon. Bye.